Charming 3-bed 2-bath split ranch floor plan you won't want to miss. Enjoy country living while being part of this small cul-de-sac neighborhood. From the rocking chair front porch, step into the beautiful and spacious home with LVP flooring in the main areas, large family room with gas log fireplace, kitchen with granite countertops, white cabinets and stainless steel appliances. Spacious owner's suite includes double vanities, walk-in shower and large walk-in closet. The second floor flex space is large enough to be used as fourth bedroom, an office, an entertainment space or a combination of all three. The outdoor space is fabulous as the indoor space featuring a covered patio, private fenced hot tub area, larger fence yard perfect for pets or kids, and an additional open space to enjoy all nature has to offer. The 2-car garage is partially finished including a mini-split heating and air unit so it can be used as a workshop or man cave all year round. You will also love environmental and wallet-friendly solar panels.